हेलो एवरीवन। अब हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं फ्री कंसेंट से। अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 14 कंसेंट इज सेड टू बी फ्री व्हेन इट इज कॉज्ड बाय कोercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation और mistake. void agreements किसे कहते हैं? इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट. A void agreement is an agreement which is not enforceable by law. Which is not enforceable by law right from the time they are made are void ab initio. void कौन से agreements होते हैं हमारे? by और with persons incompetent, जो इनकम्पिटेंट है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए, entered into a mutual mistake से आ गए हैं, with the object or consideration is unlawful, object is just partly unlawful, made without consideration, restraint of marriage and restriction of trade, restraint of legal proceedings, wagering agreements, impossible agreements, agreement to enter into agreement into the future. Possibility of performance. If the act is legally or physically impossible to perform, the agreement cannot be enforced at law. A agrees with B to discover treasure by magic and B agrees to pay rupees 1000 to A. This agreement is void because it is an agreement to do an impossible act. Contract may be oral in writing according to the Indian Contract Act. In certain special cases, the agreement must be written. In some cases, like contracts by companies selling or buying of shares, the contract must be registered. Agreement between two persons under which money or money's worth is payable. An agreement between two persons under which money or money's worth is payable by one person to another on the happening or non-happening of a future uncertain event is called a wagering event. अग्रीमेंट बिटवीन दो पर्सन के बीच में एक अग्रीमेंट है जिसमें मनी की जो वर्थ है वो पेबल है बाय वन पर्सन टू अनदर ऑन द हैपनिंग, पर वो फ्यूचर इवेंट के बेसिस पे है. फ्यूचर ऑन द हैपनिंग ऑफ कि मतलब ऑफ अ फ्यूचर अनसर्टेन इवेंट है जो कि होगा नहीं होगा, इसको हम वेजरिंग अग्रीमेंट बोलते हैं. मनी पेबल भी है बट वो एक फ्यूचर अनसर्टेन इवेंट के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. सच अग्रीमेंट्स आर चांस ओरिएंटेड एंड देयरफॉर कंप्लीटली अनसर्टेन. इसे हम वेजरिंग अग्रीमेंट बोलते हैं. Contingent contract, as the name says, contingent. It is a contract to do or to do something if some events collateral to such contract. Events collateral to such, इस contract के लिए हमने कुछ collateral रखा हुआ है, कुछ गिरवी रखा हुआ है. Does or does not happen. Insurance contract provides basic example of contingent contract, which may or may not happen, which is uncertain. If some events collateral to such contract does or does not happen. कोई event है वो which may or may not happen, is very uncertain और उसके लिए हमने कुछ गिरवी रखा हुआ है, insurance जैसे कि. फ्री कंसेंट किसे कहते हैं हम? मीन्स acquiescence or an act of assenting to an offer. Two or more persons are said to consent when they agree upon the same thing in the same sense. फ्री कंसेंट किसे कहते हैं? It is said to be free when it is not caused by a coercion, defined in section 15, undue influence in section 16, fraud section 17, misrepresentation section 18, mistake section 20 or 21. Coercion, when a person is compelled to enter into a contract by the use of force, by डराने धमकाने से, forcefully उसे लाया जा रहा है by the other party under a threat, coercion is said to be employed. Examples of coercion: A threatens to shoot B. A ने B को shoot करने की धमकी दी है if it does not release from a debt which A owes to B. उसने कुछ कर्जा लिया हुआ था बी ने और उसे धमकी दी अगर आप नहीं उसे रिपे करोगे तो उसे गोली से उड़ा देगा. कर्जा ए ने लिया हुआ है उसे और बी से और वो उसे धमकी दे रहा है कि मुझे उस डेट से मुक्त कर। ठीक है, बी रिलीज ए अंडर द थ्रेट द रिलीज हैज बीन ब्रॉट अबाउट बाय कोercion। ए ने बी को धमकी दी, मुझे गोली से उड़ा दूंगा, मेरे ऊपर जो कर्जा है बी का उसे माफ कर, विच ए ओज टू बी। अब बी उसे रिलीज कर देता है अंडर द थ्रेट when this has been released and brought about by coercion. Okay. Consent to an agreement is caused by coercion, fraud, or misrepresentation. The agreement is a conduct contract wordable at the option of the party whose consent was caused. The agreement is contract voidable at the option of the party whose consent was so caused. Undue influence किसी के बहकावे में आ जाना एक तरीके से. Contract is said to be induced by undue influence, where the relations subsisting between the parties are such that one of the parties is in position to dominate the will of other and uses that position to obtain an unfair advantage over the other. जहाँ पे एक बंदा डोमिनेट है दूसरे के ऊपर और वो अनफेयर एडवांटेज उठाना आता है, उस पे अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस करना चाहता है अपनी. 16 subsection 1 of undue influence says where he holds real or apparent authority over the other, relationship between master and servant, he stands in fiduciary relation of trust and confidence, father and son के उसमें, where he makes a contract with person whose mental capacity is temporarily or permanently affected by a reason of age, illness, or bodily distress. Medical attendant and his patient. अथॉरिटी है जहाँ पे फिड्यूशरी रिलेशन एक तरीके का ट्रस्ट है. मेंटल कैपेसिटी वाला रीजन हम कह सकते हैं मेडिकल अटेंडेंट एंड दिस पेशेंट. फिड्यूशरी. गुरु डिवोटी के बीच में भी हो सकता है कंड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस. कोर्जन और अंड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है? Consent is given under the threat of an offense by IPC, forbidden by IPC. It is given by a person which so situated in relation to another that person is in position to dominate the will of the other. Mainly of physical character, moral character. It is a criminal act. There is no criminal act. Intention of causing any person to enter into an agreement to obtain an unfair advantage over the other. Misrepresentation is statement of fact which one party makes in the course of negotiation. The time पे जो statement of facts दिए जाते हैं with a view to conducing the other party to enter into a contract. उसे चीजें बदल बदल के शो करना. एक स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ नेगोशिएशन के टाइम पे उसे बताई जाती है तो जिससे कि दूसरी पार्टी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आ जाए इज नोन एज रिप्रेजेंटेशन. It may be expressed by words spoken of, written, or implied from the acts and conduct of the parties. A representation, when wrongly made, either innocently or intentionally, it is a misrepresentation. Innocent or unintentional misrepresentation or intentional, deliberate, or willful misrepresentation with an intent to deceive or defraud the other party. The former is called misrepresentation and the later is fraud. मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन और इन इंटेंशनल जानबूझ के डेलिबरेट और विलफुल मिसरिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ जानबूझ के जो किया हुआ है मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन विद एन इंटेंट टू डिसीव और डिफ्रॉड द अदर पार्टी। पहले इसको हम फ्रॉड बोलते हैं जो जानबूझ के किया जाता है। Misstatement of material fact made innocently with an honest belief as it is a truth, ये बोल के कि वो एक सच्चाई है और नॉन डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ मटेरियल फैक्ट विदाउट एनी इंटेंट टू डिसीव द अदर पार्टी। मटेरियल फैक्ट का नॉन डिस्क्लोजर विद एन इंटेंट टू डिसीव द अदर पार्टी। A, while selling his mare to B, tells him that the mare is thoroughly sound. He genuinely believes that the mare to be sound, although it has no sufficient ground for the belief. Later on, B finds the mare to be unsound. The representation made by A is misrepresentation. उसने गलत चीजें रिप्रेजेंट की उसके आगे intentionally और उसे बाद में मनाने के लिए. It must be representation of material fact. Mere expression of opinion does not amount to misrepresentation. It must be made before the conclusion of the contract. इससे पहले होती है. It must be made with the intention that it should be acted upon by the person. It must be actually have been acted upon. It must be wrong, but the person who made it honestly believed it to be true. Fraud exists when it is shown that a false representation has been made knowingly, जानबूझ के की गई है false representation, without belief in its truth, recklessly not caring whether it is true or false, and the maker intended the other party to act upon it. It must be deceive the other party to the contract or to induce him to enter in a contract. There must be a representation and it must be false. It must relate to material fact which exists now or exist in the past. Have been made before the conclusion of the contract